An exceptional home with its own private forested ravine setting beyond its backyard and situated within East Pickering's sought-after Brockridge community. Welcome to 2348 Wildwood Crescent. Featuring a brick exterior and a double-car garage with an insulated door, this home also showcases front and backyards landscaped with perennial gardens, trees and shrubs, exterior LED lighting, a new roof, upgraded attic insulation, 200 amp service, and a security system. The interlocking driveway has parking for up to 4 vehicles, and there are interlocking walkways to the backyard as well as to a covered main entrance, where a front door and side light accented with decorative glass inserts welcomes you into a home with over 2,700 square feet of immaculately maintained main and upper level living space, plus a finished walkout basement. Ceramic tiles laid on the diagonal are featured in the foyer, the laundry and powder rooms, and the kitchen area, while hardwood flooring adds rich warmth to the living, dining, and family rooms, as well as the home office. The living and dining rooms have an open flow between them, and these elegant, formal entertaining spaces are filled with natural light through their large windows, as well as with the additional brightness of pot lighting and a beautiful light fixture accented with a ceiling medallion. The entry between these two rooms, the living room's entry off the foyer, as well as a wall cutout between the family and breakfast rooms, all showcase decorative trim work, and crown moldings add an elegant finishing touch here, as well as throughout most of this level. The dining room also has a French door entry to the kitchen, a wonderful convenience while entertaining, and the kitchen is as functional as it is stunning. This upgraded workspace showcases granite counters with a traditional backsplash, the counter having a half-moon shape along the peninsula for a more aesthetically pleasing seating area, stainless steel appliances including a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer, oven with gas cooktop and built-in microwave and dishwasher, as well as a deep, extra-wide stainless steel undermount sink. While the gorgeous maple cabinetry has molded uppers, a display cabinet with stemware racks, as well as impressive storage including 2 Lazy Susans and a pantry. Off the breakfast area is a sliding door walkout with interior blinds, which opens onto a new sun deck with a wood and metal railing, stairs down to the backyard, privacy walls on its north and south sides, as well as a retractable awning for summertime shade. A wonderful outdoor space for entertaining and for enjoying breathtaking views of the home's private ravine setting. The kitchen and family room both have arched entries with rounded corners off the main hallway, and the incredibly spacious family room has a warm and inviting atmosphere with the added coziness of a gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantel and with storage cabinets on both sides. This casual entertaining space also features LED pot lighting, which can be seen throughout much of this level, while the windows here, in the kitchen, and in the formal entertaining rooms are complete with California shutters. Across the hall is the upgraded powder room. The coat closet in the reception area has a French door with mirrored inserts. Adjacent to the family room is a main level home office with a French door entry and track lighting. While completing the main level is a laundry room with front load washer and dryer, a garden door to the side yard, garage access, as well as cabinetry storage and counter workspace. Curving gracefully to the upper level is a staircase finished with hardwood treads and rail, white risers, and wrought iron spindles, and the upper level also features crown moldings throughout and hardwood flooring in the hallway, while broadloom adds coziness to the 4 spacious bedrooms. The upgraded 5-piece main washroom features a tiled floor, an acrylic bath and shower area, as well as a vanity finished with a quartz and recycled glass countertop and 2 undermount basins. And a linen closet is conveniently located nearby just off the main hall. Above the staircase is both a solar tube and a hurricane-style light fixture for added brightness, while an arched window allows for natural light in a sitting area at the end of the hallway. The second and third bedrooms both have ceiling fans and ample closet storage. The fourth bedroom features a double closet. and both the second and fourth bedrooms have California shutters on their east-facing windows. Through a double-door entry is the master suite, an incredibly spacious personal retreat that enjoys gorgeous outdoor views through its windows. The bedroom features a ceiling fan with remote, an electric fireplace for added warmth, and also has ample space for a sitting area. Off the hallway to its upgraded washroom is both a double and a walk-in closet, and its spa-like ensuite showcases floor tiles laid on the diagonal, tiles on the lower half of the walls, California shutters on its windows, a step-up soaker tub, a glass shower with rain and handheld shower heads as well as a stone-tiled floor and walls, and a beautiful vanity with a granite counter, undermount basins, and complemented with a toiletry cabinet. The lower level staircase and landing are both carpeted, and off the landing is a cold room as well as two separate storage rooms, and the larger of these two rooms has plenty of space to be combined with a workshop or hobby room. The remainder of the level adds wonderful recreational space to the home, and with its own walkout entrance to the backyard, can also be utilized as an in-law suite. This L-shaped living area showcases engineered flooring, above-grade windows, as well as pot lighting throughout. And the eat-in kitchen is bright, has great cabinetry storage, a Corian countertop, and a stainless steel sink. The upgraded three-piece washroom features a tiled floor, a corner glass shower with tiled walls, as well as a vanity with a quartz counter and undermount basin. While the bedroom area can be easily partitioned from the common area and has a double closet with opaque and mirrored inserts in its sliding doors. The living room has an electric fireplace with display shelves and cabinetry storage above and below, and garden doors from here open to the backyard. Partially covered by the sun deck, an interlocking patio provides ample entertaining and relaxation space while enjoying unobstructed views of the stunning forested ravine. Lush and green during the summer months, the ravine changes to a colorful landscape in the fall, and at the rear of the yard is a flagstone pathway winding through the spectacular outdoor setting. A short walk to Valley Farm Public School, Major Oaks Park, and public transit. This home is also close to places of worship and Brockridge Community Park, while the Smart Center's Pickering Shopping Plaza, the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all short drives away.